Woo!
What's up, guys? The moment of truth, boat giveaway number 1. The gentleman just came down. He is right here in the blue shirt, Mr. Mark. He is a veteran, more or less say, still active. So he's not really like a veteran. He's actually active. He came down from Virginia. He won the boat. And now we're gonna go fishing. We didn't make the decision if we're gonna take 2 boats or if we're just gonna take 1 boat. Me and Mr. Mark, we made it. We are out here. Clear it is. Look, it's super clear. Love it when I see clear water like that. Gulf is just right here. Just right here in the background of us. The Gulf is just right there. So all that salt water came in. That nice, good, clean salt water came in the marsh. Chances of us catching fish is 1, we have a really good chance. 2, we have a really bad chance because they might not be feeding. There, I just seen a red right there in the little grass right there. With no further ado, let's once again start the casting. All right, guys, I'm sorry about that. I've been time lapsing, but we just got one. Yeah. Whew, he's all beat up. He's all scarred right here. He is all beat up. Cool, he's got scarring right here. He's probably close to 30. 32. Nice one. Yeah. He's finna saying that. Like,
when it hits, it's gonna slam.
It's gonna slam. Like, you ain't even gotta set the hook. Got him on that Bloody Mary, and that bait is still good. The hook is still good. Man, I don't know how many fish I caught just on this single hook, but this is the first fish I caught on this bait right here. Wow. Take the picture. There you go. You just seen the picture. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, all those nice social media platforms, but we're gonna let this baby go. He's super sick. I wish you luck, buddy. I wish you luck. Ugh. Wish you luck, man. I know you sick. I know you don't feel good. You've been through hell and back. How many divorces you been through, buddy? How many divorces you been through? Oh, okay.
Enough that he don't want to talk
Go
about
pay
it.
your child support. Nice days. 1, we've been at it for a little while. We've been working. But I said we was working that pond back there, all those ponds. And I was like, you know what? High water, they're gonna be in that freaking marsh. Really didn't want to, but you can see right here, we're in this little canal. And I was doing just like him, casting, working the banks, and just by coincidence, I snagged up to that one. I don't know if y'all watched the last video. Caught the first fish, and after I caught that first fish, First State Fishing, y'all follow him, and he actually caught the rest of the fish for the rest of that trip. So maybe it might do the same thing. Mark might start hooking up to them, and I might not be catching any. Oh, Mark has a channel, a YouTube channel also. I'll have it down in the description below. Y'all about to go follow Mark and check him out. He's new on YouTube. If y'all go and give him 50 new subscribers, I will pick one of y'all guys on my YouTube subscriber channel. I will bring y'all fishing, because I know y'all all been begging for a fishing trip to come fishing with me. So this is your opportunity.
Camera, the makeup girls or whatever.
Go! Oh! See that? My man had one.
Give it back.
He's gone.
Expecting it.
Fish on. Go! Woo! He is a slammer, dude. He's a big one. He's a slammer, dude. He's a slammer. Ah. PB. He's a PB. He's a PB. He's a PB. He's a PB. PB, baby. He's a PB. Oh my God. He's a PB. He's a PB. He's a PB, baby. He's a PB. Oh my God. He's right there. Yeah. Come on, baby. Pick up the trolley mower. Right? Not mine, not mine. Not mine. Get the net. My hand's freaking exhausted. My forearm is killing me. I got the trolley mower running just to keep up with him, so I know.
I ran out of camera space at the wrong side.
Scoop him, scoop him, scoop him. Oh my God, dude!
Oh my God!
A slammer! Yes! Oh! Oh! Put him down.
Oh, shit!
Oh!
Bro.
Oh my God, y'all! Look at that! My forearm! Oh my God, y'all! My God! Oh my God! Slammed it, dude! God, thank you, Jesus! Oh my God! Straight savage And look. Oh my God, the hook is still good. Oh my God, the hook is still good. Woo! Oh my God.
Sorry, big boy.
My hand.
7 baits.
God.
Let's go. That's the biggest red I've ever seen.
Absolutely gorgeous. Let's let her go. Appreciate it. I appreciate it, man. You was a lot of fun. Thank you. Truly, truly appreciate it. You're so gorgeous. I wish I could get in the water with you. I want to make sure you're good. I want to make sure you're good. Get that good oxygen flowing. One more good kick. Come on, give me a good one. Don't want to let you go without a good one. I want you to survive. I know you're tired. Take your breath. Chill out. Chill out. Breathe. Breathe. We are back at my house. Mr. Mark's right here. My phone's going off, let me get that. That was my little girl calling. She's only 7 years old. Her birthday was the other day. She got her a cell phone. Very, very, very unique. Wow, I remember when I was 7 years old, I did not have a phone. I barely had a boat to go fishing in. That is what this is all about. Mr. Mark is about to hook up to boat giveaway #1. You got the paperwork, right? He's got the paperwork. So that means he is officially legal. It's not my boat no more. So if I would hook up to it and take it, Mr. Mark could get me arrested. That's correct. His baby, his boat. So now we're gonna get him all hooked up and we're gonna send him on his way to go and live the dream in Virginia, 7 style. Got him all hooked up. We took the motor off the back end. He's got it laying down in the bed of his SUV. But it's getting dark, it is getting late, and it is time to send Mr. Mark on his way. I'm gonna miss him. I'm gonna miss it. I'm gonna miss the boat. But don't worry, I got my neighbor right here. He has a boat just like it. And he said I could take it out whenever I want because he doesn't do enough fishing. Real quick, y'all. This, a lot of y'all might not know this tradition, but I'm gonna let Mark give us a rundown about this tradition.
All right, so it's Navy tradition, you know, in passing with fellow mariners. It's customs and tradition. Ooh, the mosquitoes. To exchange swag or personal effects. So I got Mr. Stanley 7 a captain's hat from my command that I'm currently stationed at, as well as a commemorative challenge coin is what they're called.
The mosquitoes are super bad.
It actually is also in the shape of a bottle opener. So, challenge coin, ball cap,
and
he's set to go.
He's got a whole bunch of swag that I gave him. A whole bunch.
Yeah, most appreciative. Thank you, sir.
So, we're gonna send him on his way.